Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. My name is Eva. I will be guiding you through the process of downloading your course files from Kobocourse.com. So when you go onto Kobocourse.com, just log in and go to your dashboard. When you are inside of your dashboard, you're going to mouse over to courses right here so that you can see all of your courses. And when your courses come up, you're going to notice that you have right beside the courses, your stats, your files, and the link for your course. So what you want to do is click on files, right? And it's going to take you straight to all of your course files that have been uploaded for that particular course. And when you're in there, this is the window where you can upload or add files to the course, or you can also download all of your files. And here's where you want to be. So you're going to go over there and you're going to start downloading each file for every single course so that you can save it into your computer or your hard drive, or you can upload it to the cloud. This is a very quick and easy process. You don't have to overthink it. You can just start downloading all the files really fast, like I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's fast, right? And your files will come into your computer. You can save it to your hard drive, or you can upload it to the cloud. However, you want to do this for every single file, okay? And I'm just going to do that for every single file, for every single course inside of your dashboard. So please do that today so that you can have a backup of your own course files and you can save them in your hard drives or into the cloud. I'll see you in the next one. I hope this was helpful. See you soon. Bye.